Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best drip coffee grinder is OXO coffee grinder. The OXO burr grinder performed coffee grounds that could be used for espresso, cold brew and everything in between. The design is simple, so nothing stands between you and your first cup. Just add beans and choose from 15 grind size settings from fine for espresso to coarse for French press, then turn the dial to select grinding time and push to start. Stainless steel conical burrs create uniform grounds for gold cup flavor, and the one-touch timer keeps your last setting, so you don't have to reset it every time. The grinder holds up to 3/4 of a pound of coffee beans in a UV blocking hopper so your coffee tastes fresh. The hopper has a UV blocking tint and an airtight lid, both of which aid in flavor preservation. It also has a capacity of 3/4 pound of coffee beans. The grinder operates by pressing a button and grinds into a static-free stainless steel container with a lid large enough to empty the grounds into a coffee filter without making a mess. The lid also prevents ground from flying everywhere while grinding. After you've emptied the grounds, securely click the container into place, ready for the next batch. Number 2 in our side is Breville Smart Coffee Grinder. The Breville Smart Grinder Pro is beautifully designed for the most discriminating espresso and coffee drinkers. It has 60 different grind settings. The grinder has a large, digital screen on which you can easily select the grind size, cup amount, and grind time, which can be adjusted in 0.2-second increments. The grounds are deposited directly into a plastic container labeled for espresso, drip, and French press coffee. If you don't use all of the ground coffee at once, the container has a cover for the opening in the lid. The attachment for portafilters on this grinder is its most distinctive feature, allowing you to grind coffee directly into the filter you use in your espresso machine. So much time spent measuring and filling with a scoop. The Smart Grinder Pro lets you grind directly into the portafilter, an airtight container, gold tone filter basket or paper filter. The choice is yours. The Smart Grinder Pro pairs well with Breville's dual boiler, the ultimate machine for the at-home barista who demands precise control over every element when taking beans to their fullest potential. Let's watch more. Third in our Best Drip Coffee Grinder list is Cuisinart DBM8 Supreme Coffee Grinder. The Cuisinart Supreme Grind Automatic Burr Mill has 18 grind sizes, each of which is noticeably different. The finest grind is ideal for espresso, medium for drip and pour over, and coarse for cold brew and French press. The grounds container has a small hole through which grounds can easily and cleanly pass into a coffee filter. Furthermore, the container can be replaced securely in the base with one hand. The grinder comes with a 2-in-1 coffee scoop and a cleaning brush. Its removable grind chamber holds enough ground coffee for 32 cups. You won't have to worry about grinding beans multiple times to brew coffee for the entire household. The one-touch power bar is separate from the unit and complemented by an electric timer that automatically shuts off the unit when your grind cycle is complete. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Supreme Grind Burr Grinder. It's great, especially if you are a coffee lover. It's important to grind your beans right before you're brewing your coffee for the freshest, most flavorful cup. This product is really interesting because you can set it for anywhere from 4 to 18 cups by sliding the bar. And what happens is when you hit start, it will grind exactly the right amount of coffee that you need for your coffee maker. The other thing that's nice is it's a half-pound hopper, which is removable. So is the lid. So you just pour your beans right in, put the lid on. And I should also mention this is the removable chamber that holds the ground beans. It holds up to enough coffee for 32 cups. You just choose your size and you hit the power bar. And today I'm just going to choose 4. You hit start and it's automatically going to grind the exact amount of beans that you want. But something I should mention is that it goes from fine just by twisting this all the way to coarse. And fine is used for espresso and coarse would be used for things like French press. Today I'm going to put it on medium and I'm just going to hit start. And there you have it. And then all you do is you remove the chamber in the front here. You don't even have to remeasure your coffee. You just put it right into the filter and you'll have a beautiful, fresh and flavorful cup of coffee by using the burr grinder.
Our fourth pick is Krupp's Vortex Electric Coffee Grinder. The Silent Vortex 3-in-1 grinder is quiet and powerful. Innovative patent-pending Vortex spin technology grinds beans for up to 12 cups in only 15 seconds for drip coffee. The Silent Vortex 3-in-1 grinder helps make your morning coffee a breeze. Take your culinary game to the next level by grinding your own fresh spices and transform your recipes by creating delicious rubs for summer barbecues to aromatics holiday cooking, or even add an extra jolt to a morning smoothie. The Quiet Coffee Grinder has a large capacity dishwasher-safe grinding bowl to easily hold everything you grind mess-free. A dedicated storage lid is included to store your freshly ground ingredients in the grinding bowl. The removable bowl comes with a dedicated storage lid that seals the grinding bowl to perfectly store your freshly ground coffee, dry herbs, or spices. Dishwasher safe. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Capresso Coffee Grinder. The quietest coffee grinder was the Capresso Infinity Plus Conical Burr Grinder. It has 16 grind settings, each of which is easily selectable thanks to clearly labeled markings. The grinder also has a dial that allows you to select the number of cups you want to grind, ranging from 1 to 12. The ergonomic container is simple to remove from the housing with one hand. It has a wide mouth and minimal static, making it ideal for pouring coffee grounds into a coffee filter. You can choose from 16 different fineness settings including extra fine, fine, regular, and coarse grinding for every type of brewing method from Turkish fine to percolator coarse. The see-through bean container can hold up to 11 ounces of beans, while the tight-fitting ground coffee container holds up to 4 ounces of ground coffee. For maximum aroma and flavor retention, nothing beats the Infinity Plus Conical Burr Grinder. Conical burr grinders provide the widest range of precision grinding for every type of brewing method from Turkish, espresso, drip coffee, French press, pour-over brewers and percolators.